What's going on, everyone? Dan and my main man Brad here from All Access Life.
Hi. We showcase adaptive products on social media.
Now, if you've been following us recently, you may have noticed Brad using a new device. He's been trying out the new TD Pilot, and this baby is awesome. This is the latest communication device from Tobii Dynavox. It has eye tracking for iPad. Now, the first thing you guys are going to see when you open the box is a thank you card, some packing slips, a getting started guide, and some training cards. Next is a spare cord and an adjustable bracket. And now, TD Pilot.
That looks sick.
Seems like it'll really keep up with us, eh, bud? You hear that? Now you know it's secure. Time to turn this baby on.
The thing that stands out is the eye tracker. It even works outdoors.
Even on sunny days!
And check out these cameras. I can post pics and video anywhere, anytime.
Did you just take a picture of me? You posted that?
Moo ha 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 ha.
I really like what they've done here on the back.
Yes, the partner window.
Now, the other day, Brad and I were filming a video, and I actually forgot my line.
I fed it to him here.
Thanks, partner. Now, what's really got us talking is the new software on the device, TD Talk.
It lets me talk even faster.
Yo, Brad, hit us with the freestyle.
Look how fast I can type. Can you feel the hype?
Oh, that was sick! Which brings us to the speakers.
They are freaking awesome.
And last, a power charger.
To be honest, we don't stress if we don't have it with us.
This device lasts a long time. Overall, a thumbs up for me for the new TD Pilot.
I love it. 5 stars.
Let's see what kind of trouble we can get into with this thing.
Let's go. Living that all access life.